Hello again. Here I am with another tutorial video of InkyBay product customizer app. Today I'm going to show you how you can offer your customers custom canvas sizing on Shopify with dynamic price generation and bring your printing business to the next level. InkyBay product customizer brought this feature for gang sheet, banner and DTF printing businesses. With this feature, you don't need to create a new product for each size anymore. Instead, your customers can set their canvas size or choose from a list of sizes. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here, you need to follow two simple steps. First one is, you need to make your product customizable from your InkyBay admin panel. And the second step is, you need to create dynamic size. So from your InkyBay admin panel's product section, you need to click Make it customizable button for the product. Now here, from the product sizes, you don't need to create any sizes, so you need to set this as no size set. Then from the printing types, you can select your preferable printing types or you can make your own printing types. Then comes the color option. If you have different colors sheets, then you can set your product color set from here. I'm just setting this as no color set because my product doesn't have any colors. Now you need to upload your product image from this advanced settings option. You can upload any image here because ultimately the system will generate an image based on the size ratios on the design lab. So here you can upload any product image. I would recommend to upload the product image that you have used in your Shopify backend to create this product. In this way, on the product page, the image will be same. So here I'm uploading the image. The product creation is complete. Now, if you want to show a mark area on your product so that customers can see the safe zone of adding designs, then follow the next step. Otherwise, you can skip this part. From the print area section, you can set your print area. Then you can set your mark area from here too. As you can see, I am setting the mark area by leaving some spaces from all the sides, and considering this ratio, the system will generate a mark area on the product image in the design lab. Then you need to save it. After that, this pop-up will show. You need to click on activate now. Now you have made your customizable product. Now for the second step, which is create the dynamic sizes, so that your customers can create their own sheets, banners or business cards size. So first, go to your product option. You need to create a new product option set. Then you need to assign this product option to your product. You can assign the product option by using type, tag, vendor or handle. I am using handle. So for this, you need to go to your product page. Then you need to copy everything after product slash and paste it here. Then you need to click select option type. You need to select custom size, free size. Then click new option. Now from here you can give your option a title. Then you need to enable this option for design lab. From here you can select the size units. You can select inch, centimeter or feet. I'm only using inch. Now from here you can set the incremental factor, which is if your customer increase the height or width, it will increase by a certain value. For example, if you insert 2 here, then if your customer increases the height and width on the product page, it will increase in a range like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. You can also restrict the size input by incremental factor. For example, if you select yes, then on the product page, when your customer increase the width and height, it will increase in a range like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. They cannot insert any random values here. But if you select this option as no, then on the product page, you can see that if your customer increase the width and height, it will increase by the value you have set. But also you can type any random values here. From here, you can give a label to your width and height. If you want, you can set the minimum or maximum restrictions for the width and height from here. Now comes the most interesting part, which is dynamic pricing. Here you can assign price per square unit. For this example here, as I have chose the size unit as inch, I am assigning the price for per square inch unit. and I'm assigning $0.5 for per square inch. But if I choose other units, which is centimeter and feet, then on the product page, if the customer selects centimeter or feet, the system will adjust the price automatically. Now this part is for the preset size input option. We have a video on this option. You will find the video link somewhere above on your screen, and from here you can set the default value for width and heights field, so that when the product is loaded, this value will be loaded with it. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here. Then you need to save it, and the setup is done. Now if you go to the product page and reload the page, you will see two fields for width and height, so your customers can choose their preferable width and height, and you can also see that the price is changing according to the size ratio. Now if you click Customize It button, Design Lab will open, and you will see a product image is generated with the size ratio that you have inserted in the product page with the updated price. Now you can customize this product. So I hope this video